Welcome, my learners. If you want to improve your preposition, this lesson is very helpful for you. So keep watching the lesson. Question 1. Choose the correct preposition. He got kicked out dash the school because he had done wrong. Options: by, in, of, from. Four options and the answer is C. Of. He got kicked out of the school because he had done wrong. Question 2. Laptop charge dash electricity. Options: with, by, at, off. And the answer is B. By. Laptop charge by electricity. Question 3. He threw the ball dash the court. Options: across, on, out of, along. And the final option is A. Across. He threw the ball across the court. Question 4. Sarah has no control dash her temper. Options: at, on, off, over. And the answer is D. Sarah has no control over her temper. Question 5. The parcel was delivered dash hand. Options: with, in, to, by. And the answer is option D. By. The parcel was delivered by hand. Question 6. Meet me dash the library at 2 o'clock. Options: on, at, in, by. And the answer is D. B. At. Meet me at the library at 2 o'clock. Question 7. We saw a boat dash the river. Options: on, from, up, with. And the right answer is option A. On. We saw a boat on the river. Question 8. She is good dash fixing things. Options: in, by, at, off. And the answer is option C. At. She is good at fixing things. Question 9. Alto lives dash Turkey. Alto lives dash Turkey. Options: on, by, in, at. And the answer is C. Alto lives in Turkey. Question 10. You are good dash singing. Options: at, in, of, with. And answer is option A. At. You are good at singing. So these are real life sentences. I hope the lesson is very helpful for you. Take care and goodbye.